What's up, Quiz Buddy fam? Are you ready for the ultimate 2026 viral trend? Welcome to Would You Rather? Real versus Squishy Edition. Every round, you've got a tough choice. The real deal, or its weirdly satisfying squishy twin. You can only pick one. Smash that subscribe button, drop a comment with Team Real or Team Squishy, and let's play! Would you rather eat the real burger or squeeze the squishy burger? Choose between a freezing ice cube and its soft, squishy twin. Real ice melts too fast, so Husky is gonna choose the squishy one. What about you? Do you prefer eating a hot dumpling or playing with a squishy dumpling? Take home the regular Stitch or the cuddly squishy Stitch? Would you rather share your favorite squishy or tell me your favorite food? Bonus time! Stitch is hiding behind one of these steamers. Can you spot the right one before the timer ends? Great job! Stitch was behind steamer number 3. Can you decide between playing with Sonic and squishing a squishy Sonic? How about a tasty donut or a squeezable squishy donut? Husky wants the real croissant for eating, but the squishy one is way cuter. Will you choose the crispy French fries or squeeze those slow-rising squishy French fries? Which Starbucks treat gets your vote? Real or squishy? Choose the Labubu that you want beside you today. The universe has a special message waiting just for you. Pause the video at the perfect moment to discover what it wants you to hear today. Are you ready? Let's go! What message did you receive? Comment down below so Husky can know. Pay attention to this picture. How many Labubus are there? You got it right! A regular lunchbox or a squishy lunchbox? Which one would you grab? Would you rather meet Hello Kitty or squeeze a squishy Hello Kitty? Eat a slice of birthday cake or squeeze a squishy birthday cake? Which avocado would you choose for this colorful round? Will you pick a real tube of Pringles or squeeze the squishy Pringles? Real Pringles wins out for Husky. Sorry, squishy version. Snacks come first. Eat the real taco or squeeze the cute one. Husky honestly can't decide. Can you help me choose? Do you want a sweet cupcake or the slow-rising squishy cupcake? Round 22 just got way more exciting with a bonus. Watch closely and remember every squishy. Can you spot which one switched places? Bingo! It's the sushi and cupcake in positions 1 and 6. Choose the cheese that you want, real and tasty or soft and squishy. Can you decide between a real Shiba puppy or a squishy Shiba toy? Would you rather drink a matcha latte or squeeze the slow-rising squishy matcha latte? Do you prefer bouncing a real basketball or squeezing a mini squishy basketball? Will you choose a hot pizza slice or squeeze that foam squishy pizza? Only one hot dog can stay, real or squishy. Husky's hungry, so the real hot dog gets my vote today. Which Coca-Cola version deserves a spot in your room? Here comes another bonus round. Keep your eyes sharp and match the twins. That's the matching pair. Grab the juicy strawberry or its adorable squishy twin. A real banana and a squishy banana are waiting. Choose one. Would you eat the ice cream or keep the squishy version? Pick one, kick one. Which pancakes would make your morning more fun? Choose the crispy waffle or the bouncy squishy waffle. The real sushi looks tasty, but that adorable squishy is stealing Husky's heart. Movie time needs some popcorn. Would you choose the real one or the squishy one? Can you decide between eating a cookie and squeezing a squishy cookie? Would you drink the milkshake or squeeze the squishy milkshake? Hello Kitty is about to drop her milkshake. Quick! Tap the screen to help her hold on before it spills everywhere. Time's up! Did you save Hello Kitty's milkshake on the first try? Comment "Yep" if you did. Decide between a fresh orange and a squishy orange. Will you choose a spiky pineapple or a slow-rising squishy pineapple? Real lemon or squishy lemon? Which one gets your vote? Real lemon is too sour, so Husky is gonna pick that squishy one. Choose the peach that you would reach for first. Would you snack on the carrot or play with the squishy carrot? Pick the regular egg or its super soft squishy copy. Which tomato belongs in your basket? Real or squishy? Do you prefer a crispy chicken nugget or a foam squishy chicken nugget? Will you pick the sweet corn on the cob or a squishy corn toy? Would you rather eat a deli sandwich or squeeze a squishy sandwich? One of these things is not like the others. Can you find it? Spot on! That was the odd one out. Which bowl of ramen would you love to have right now? A sweet macaroon or a squishy macaroon? Which one will you take? Can you choose between a real cereal bowl or a slow-rising squishy cereal bowl? Pick the refreshing bubble tea or its squeezable twin. Which juice box would you pack for your next adventure? A cold Pepsi or a squishy Pepsi? Which one are you choosing? Would you rather twist open the Oreo or squeeze it? Husky chooses the real Oreo for snacking, but who's picking out the squishy version? A real Kit Kat or a squishy Kit Kat? Make your decision! No contest today! The real Kit Kat is coming straight home with me! Would you rather grab a bag of Cheetos or squeeze the squishy Cheetos? Which backpack would you carry to school every day? Choose a juicy watermelon or a giant squishy watermelon. Would you eat the burrito or keep it as a squishy? Pick out the water bottle you would bring on a trip. Which alarm clock would make making up more fun? Do you want a video game controller or a foam squishy game controller? Would you rather bite the apple or collect its squishy twin? The real apple is healthier, but the squishy one looks much more fun. Would you pick the live hamster or a soft, squishy hamster toy? For the final choice, take the teddy bear or the squishy teddy bear. And that's a wrap! Thank you for playing today's Real versus Squishy challenge! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Quiz Buddy for more fun challenges with Husky! We'll see you in the next video! Goodbye, my buddies!